Very good morning. So today in this activity you are supposed to make this recipe and practice present tense. Before this activity we had discussed what will we be doing on Saturday. We had discussed this thing before in entire week. Last week we discussed what we will do. Today we are discussing how we will do today this activity. Use present tense. On Monday we will be discussing how we made this, how we did this. So we will be able to practice all three tenses with the help of this activity. Okay. So you guys have 20 minutes to start the activity. So in this activity the students will practice past tense, present and the future tense, and they will be able to learn tenses and practice them. Shall we start? You all ought to speak English. You are not supposed to speak Hindi, and if you speak Hindi you lose marks. Okay? Whatever you speak, speak English. Make sure you all must speak. You will not speak with one another in Hindi. Only speak in English. So what you guys are going to make today? What you will make today? Yeah. Daniel, what are you going to make today?
Sir, today will make a bhel puri and with my team, and we are also help me.
They will help you. Okay. Start the activity quickly. Start.
Hamadul and Atish bhai, please open this packet. Please. Please also.
Speak English. Please open these packets, okay? Speak English.
Yes, sir. Please cut this vegetable.
Please cut these vegetables. You only have 50 minutes. Make sure you follow timelines.
Yes, sir.
Please speak. Do something else. You do some other work.
Yes, sir.
You open things. Give the task to your team members. Ask them to do something. Ask Arif. Ask Hafiz Sahab to do something.
Put in the pan.
You can take chairs. Sit down. Guys, you can take these chairs. Ajmal, take these small chairs. Sit down on these chairs. Arif, take these chairs. Sit down on these chairs. Team 2, what will you make today? What will you make today? Team 2, what will you make? What are you going to do today?
Sir, we are making sandwich.
Huh?
Sandwich.
We will make sandwiches. Okay, that's wonderful. Okay, so please start making it quickly. Start. Start.